Hey everybody, today in this video I'm going to be showing you the ringtones on my cordless phone, so, alright, let's go to the ringtones. This is one I have. This is a cool ringtone. That's it for this cordless phone. So let's put it back on the charger. Alright, over here we have my NMM telephone. It's not connected right now, but we're gonna demonstrate it. So what you do is
hold on, Michael.
Pick up the phone. Just like this. You say hello, hello. Yeah, everybody there? Yeah. It's just this is a test. That's all. And over here, you saw this in the last video, Cortalco, and on the wall we have the answering machine, VTech. This is the computer room. This used to be a computer room, but not anymore. Yep. All right. I'm just zooming on my telephones. See if they have to. Yep, guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more telephone videos. And guys, I promise I will be playing my video game. It's gonna have to be on the 25th that I can. So yeah, just be patient. That's all. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.